So I forgot to talk about the cost. All the materials except for the wood chip would have cost about $240 Australian. So that sounds like a lot of input costs, and if you had these or grew this material yourself, obviously it would be less outlay. However, when you think about it, here in Australia we can pay $20 for a 20 litre bag of really good compost, like really well crafted compost, and maybe I'll to get my money back, so to speak, in terms of vermicast compost, let's do the math. So $240 outlay. What's that? I need 12 bags of vermicast compost out of this to get my investment back. So let's see what we get. I'll try and keep count and let you know. And look, the bees are already loving this. All that sugar cane they absolutely love down here. Very rare treat for them in our cold climate. And so 12 bags of vermicast, and we're breaking even. We'll see how much the birds get into it once I add the worms. That'll be maybe a casualty of worms, but we'll see. Got lots of choughs, which are ground birds here in Australia, and they love, any time I put down mulch, they love redecorating it and rearranging it for me. So I'll keep you posted, and when we start harvesting the vermicompost, I'll try and keep a tally. Okay, let's see how we go.